Hello friends, here's Lily. We're in Shenzhen, a coastal city of south of China. Our company, Shenzhen SUNCOMM, was established in 2008 and reorganized and renamed in 2016. We are combination of factory and trade in one. Our company's products including 5G router, or let's see it. Our main products including mobile phone 4G router and industrial 4G router. And here is also our main product, the 5G router S1, S2, and this is SE06, SE05, and 02, 01, CP500, and this is our Mi5 portable. This is IP phone. Here is also our product, hot product, the telephone, fixed wireless fixed telephone, and the IP phone, and so on. We'll also have business with the external antenna. For some area, the signal is not very good, so I'll compare with the external antenna, such as this one. The panel can enlarge the Wi-Fi coverage in the rural, in the distance place. You can put this one, connect this one with our 5G router in your country. In the rural, can provide you more stable and more influence Wi-Fi coverage. Our products comply with the international quality standards, have passed the CE, FCC, and ROS certification and others. And the frequency band over 60 countries, including United States, United Kingdom, Brazil, South America, Russia, India, Brazil, Australia, and so on. And we have the annual sales over 1 million. If you're interested, feel free to get in touch with us. I will introduce more about our factory. We have the strength to cooperate with you. If you're interested, leave a message. We support OEM and ODM, can help your customers in your logo, colorful box. We have the professional graphic designer and engineer can help you make the perfect product in your mind. So if you're interested, feel free to get in touch with us. See you next video.
Click the like and follow us.